I'll take a photo afterwards. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm doing an oil change on my dad's Ford F-250 OBS. It has a 7.3 liter engine, and I hope you guys like this video. We're here at the engine, and first thing you guys want to do is take off the oil cap to help the oil flow through when you drain it. When you're draining a 7.3 diesel, you got to remember these hold 4 gallons of oil. So once you undo this, you got to switch to the 5-gallon bucket.
Switch to the 5-gallon, Bubba.
While we're waiting for the oil to drain, we're going to change the air filter. I'll be right back with you guys while we take off all the screws. Okay guys, so we're gonna switch out the filter and then we'll check on the oil. Now I'm gonna take off the oil filter and change it out with a new one. Where's the oil? Oh, it's kind of warm. Oh, that's a lot. There we go. Oh, that's a lot. You're gonna preload the filter with oil, and then you're gonna take your finger and then just wipe it around the gasket real good. Make sure you guys remove the oil filter gasket from the truck and make sure you have a new one on the oil filter. Make sure you clean off the filter before you put on the new one. When you guys put on new filters, make sure you always hand tighten it. Never by tool. And remember, always put your drain plug back on. We almost forgot. Now we're gonna put some Hot Shot secret sauce to help clean the injectors. Now I'm gonna start the truck up, and if anything starts leaking, we just have to tighten it. See anything leaking. I think we're all good. I like the sound of it a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe. While we're waiting for the oil to drain, we're gonna change the air filter to Yes. Well, we're waiting for the oil to drain. While we're waiting for the oil to drain, we're gonna put the air filter in.
Elf?